What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today I'm just going to show you on how to access your spare tires, and we're going to change the wheels as well. So you need to grab the tools, which is on the back seat of the car, and you need the jack. So on the back of your Ranger, there's a little hole right there, and that's where you're gonna put this in there to access the spare tire. Once you've got this in there, you make sure you turn it to lower the tire down. So they come in 3 pieces, so make sure you connect them all together to be able to reach it. And after connecting it all, you need to connect this tool, so that way you can turn it. So we got the spare tire, and now we just need to unhook the chains. Before you jack up the car, make sure you untighten the wheel nuts so that it'll be easier to take it out. So I'm gonna need this tool for my wheels, because it's a King Zombie, and it needs to take out the hub with this tool, which needs to be connected to here and here, and the rest are not functional. So my wheels has a key lock, so I need to use this one. So make sure you have it with you to unlock your nuts. Okay, for the rear, when you need to jack your car up, it's under here. That's the spot that you do it. So now that the car is raised, you can change the tire. So after you finish changing the tire and putting the nuts in, make sure you lower the jack down. And that's it. You finish changing the tires. So once you get your other wheels fixed, you can put back the spare tires and chain it up again and put it where it belongs. So what I'm doing is I'm rotating the tires from front to back. That way you can have a good tire life, which you'll have it a bit longer. Always rotate it on a regular basis. Also make sure you do some wheel alignment and wheel balancing, especially if you're going off-road, you can lose alignment. So a good time to check if there's any damage on your front side wheels, on your suspension. So when you're changing your tires, always good to check around if there's any leakage or damage. So once you finish, make sure you tighten the nuts and check it twice, and after that you can put your hubcaps on. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know if this was helpful for you, and comment below if you like changing your tires or you'd rather get someone else to change your tires. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button for more episodes, updates, tips and tricks about Ford Rangers.